Oh, okay yan. Going down St. Louis campus.
Structure sa room, structure sa CR. Ano sa order?
This is Frankie.
Hello.
Our resident boy girl.
Boy, girl. Girl lang po.
Girl lang, girl.
Upa na itik masahe tayo.
Oh, na-adjust yan.
Muna si Jess. Si Jess. Gwapo na. Makasala pa.
Agay! Agay! Oh. So you see, this is the SLU area.
This is our tour guide.
You can see here is the road.
Yes.
Over here is a building color
Nice
red.
one. Oh yes, I
And
can
here
see.
is a cactus color green.
Wow. What's the color of the car?
The car is also red.
Wow.
There's a flowing water here.
Yes, it's flowing downwards.
Obviously, it is very slopey.
What is the angle of the slope?
I think it's about 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
This is our
Who is this?
material science maniac person.
Ah. What does he do as a maniac person?
He always tries to touches your ass.
Ah, okay. How about the
Her
two
ass,
in front?
Her ass.
What are the colors of the cars here?
You can see a black car,
And
a white van,
that's a van. Okay.
a red car.
Oh, yes. Do you like
It's
the
red.
colors in this place?
I like the sky. It's blue.
You're right. It's blue and some white. What are those white things?
I think they're part of going up. That's
It's part of going up. Is that an antenna on top?
that is a
That's a
no,
mega
that's not a megaphone. That's a
alien detector.
it's an old speaker.
Wow, you look at the houses. They are lined up
Wow.
along the
I
mountain
guess we need
side.
to take a picture here.
You want a picture here?
Yeah.